you that are watching live and online, we thank you all so much. Over 7,500 people watching live and online as we bring the main man, Tom Bailey, to the starting line on the right-hand side. The 6-second 2.0 69 Camaro. Recently rebuilt, shakedown. He tested a whole bunch here at Bradenton to get this thing lined out. Whole lot of Steve Morse power on board. And I'll tell you what, I mean, I love this new wrap he's got on this car. Car used to be white, then it had some gray in it. Now he changed it up completely. Let's go ahead and stage him up with a 6-second station wagon. Are you kidding me? That Volvo ran 685? That's nuts. All right, attention in the pits, attention in the pits. Mike Piper.